Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we'll talk about another video on conversational AI where we would try to understand the difference between a conversational AI module and a chatbot. So normally we do not understand the basic difference between these two and think that probably both of these are similar thing, but whereas there is significant difference between these two. Now I have covered multiple videos on conversational AI. If you have not seen that, I'll provide some of the links here. Please have a look. So without wasting time, let's begin the topic of discussion today, that what is the difference between conversational AI and chatbots, and how can we know that okay, these are two different things. So if you look at the differences between your conversational AI and chatbots, so primarily we'll talk about 5 differences between these two to understand that okay, how these are actually created. So if you talk about conversational AI, so this is normally a omni-channel or a multi-channel module, so wherein it can understand both text and voice, so it can work across different channels, not only in one channel, like either through your WhatsApp or through your phone, not like that. It can act across channels. If you look at chatbot, normally it is to make users' life simple, either through a WhatsApp channel or it can be through a phone IVR. So in that case, it is only one channel, and primarily chatbots are implemented in chat. That means your WhatsApp or SMS or any other text mode, right? The second difference between these two is that your conversational AI is tuned or made in such a way that it can still work up to a significance level in any unspecified condition. So maybe not following a specific workflow of, let's say, creation of a loan, or let's say in between customer would ask any other details also, your conversational AI would be able to address in up to a certain extent, right? But in this case, chatbot simply fails. The chatbot is made to work for a single basic flow, single basic customer journey, and if the customer deviates from that, your chatbot fails, right? So that is the basic difference between the conversational AI and chatbot, and why conversational AI is getting a lot of mileage these days, because this can handle these unspecified conditions also. Now the third one is that basically conversational AI is designed to have dialogues between two parties. So normally it is to have dialogues between your customer or user and in the right hand side with a system, right? So normally it is designed to handle broad range of tasks. It might be any kind of flows inside a loan origination or let's say loan servicing journey. Your conversational AI is developed to handle all those processes. But if you look towards chatbots, you would definitely hear that okay, this is the chatbot for customer input or for customer grievances collection, right? So the purpose is very narrow in which chatbot only works, right? The next one is conversational AI, because the underground layer is all AI. We have already talked about the components of conversational AI in my previous video. If you have not seen that, please have a look. But the base is that because this is an AI base model, it has got ability to learn and improve. So with every request or every question that the customer or user is asking, and every response that the system is giving and getting some feedbacks, your system is actually improving. So that is the ability which is actually not there with chatbots. Chatbots are pre-configured to act in certain way with respect to creation of a library. So normally we create a library and chatbots follow that library to go in a specific configured way, and from time to time, as per addition of scenarios, we have to reconfigure chatbot modules. The last one probably is quite obvious, is your conversational AI is easy to scale because it has that learning ability. Definitely all AI has hallucination effect, and this is not this cannot escape that drawback of AI, but definitely this is a much scalable unit, whereas chatbot, it becomes very difficult to scale chatbots. You have to create new chatbots for different processes, as we discussed. So in short, these are the primary 5 differences between a conversational AI and chatbot. I hope this video is able to give some overview of the differences. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, viewers.